सरकार की जय। सियावर रामचंद्र की, पवन सुत हनुमान की। प्रथमं सद्गुरुं वन्दे श्रीकृष्णं तदनन्तरं गुरुः पापात्मनां त्राता श्रीकृष्णस्य त्वमलात्मना यस्यैकनिश्वसितकालमथावलम्ब्य जीवन्ति लोमविलजा जगदन्दनाथा विष्णुर्महान् स इह यस्य कलाविशेषो गोविन्दमादिपुरुषं तमहं भजामि। नमः कमलनाभाय नमः कमलमालिने नमः कमलपादाय नमस्ते कमलेक्षण यो ब्रह्माणं विदधाति पूर्वं यो वै वेदांश्च प्रहिणोति तस्मै तद्ग्वं हदेवमात्मबुद्धिप्रकाशं मुमुक्षुर्वै शरणमहं प्रपद्ये। बोले वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय। प्रिय भक्त समुदाय, महानुभाव, dearest devotees of the Supreme Lord, the Divine Souls. First, let me say Radhe Radhe to each and everyone, and my pranam, my humblest prostrations to all of you. For today's discourse lecture, I have chosen a pad from Prem Ras Madira, that book written and composed by the greatest saint Jagadguru Tam Shri Kripalu Mahaprabhu. This book contains 21 madhuris, 1008 pads describing all the divine pastimes of Sri Radha Krishna, the gopis, all the philosophy of the Vedas and all the scriptures, Bhagavad, Gita, Ramayana, Mahabharata, all the scriptures. Pad is chosen from Siddhant Madhuri, pad number 3838. In Yugal Kunj book 1, page 20. So we'll be singing the pad and I'll be explaining as we go along. And hopefully we will all get some benefit from this wonderful pad. Pad meaning divine poem, divine poetry. Please, double, okay? Kat it ut bhatkat चपल चित कत
इत उत भटकात चपल
मजीरा
चित
कत उत इत उत भटकात चपल चित
कत इत उत भटकात चपल चित
कुकर शूकर कीट पतंगनी
कुकर शूकर कीट पतंगनी
हो कुकर शूकर कीट पतंगनी
कुकर शूकर कीट पतंगनी
धर्यो अनंतन गात चपल चित
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 कत इत उत भटकात चपल चित
कत इत उत भटकात चपल चित
Chapal chit. Chit means the mind, man. Chapal means very wavering, chanchal. This is what Arjun says to Shri Krishna in Gita. Chanchalam hi manah Krishna pramathi balavaddirham tasyaham nigraham manye vayuriva sudushkaram. Chapter 6, verse 34, Gita. His mind is so strong, turbulent, and unyielding. It's as difficult to control the mind as it is to control the wind. The Maha Chapal, Chapalam, Chanchalam. The mind is running everywhere. भागते हैं. This soul is saying, oh, wavering mind, oh, very chanchal wavering mind, why are you wandering here, there, and everywhere? It ut kat ja rahe. Why is our mind wandering so much? Because it is searching for something. Kuch dhoond rahe. Kahan milega? Where is going to find? Don't know, but is looking. It can't stop. Nahi kashchit kshanamapi jat tishthatya karma krit. Chapter 3, verse 5, Gita. Until our mind does not find the thing it's looking for, truly find it, it has to keep performing action. It cannot remain inactive even for a moment. From not this lifetime, uncountable lifetimes. The swabhav hai, nature. This mind is a servant of our servant. It serves Atma, Jivatma, the soul, who we are. And it's trying to give something to it. A servant serves the master. But because we have forgotten who we are, apne ko bhool gaya. We have forgotten we're the soul, Atma, identifying with the physical body. Because of that ignorance, agyan, we are looking for this thing in the wrong place. What thing are we looking for? You keep saying thing, thing, thing. There's something. It's called Sukh, Anand, happiness. We all know that the soul, Jivatma, is an eternal fraction, a part of God. Mamaivansho jivaloke jivabhutah sanatanah. Chapter 15, verse 7, Gita, Shri Krishna himself is saying, the individual souls are eternal, sanatan, eternal parts, fraction of him. And it's a natural law that every part, every fraction has a natural love for the whole and wants to become one with it. ये स्वाभाविक नियम है. All rivers flow to the ocean, being a fraction of the ocean. All flames of fire naturally rise upward, being a fraction of the sun. So if the Jivatma, the soul who we are, is an eternal part, a fraction of Shri Krishna, it means we love and want only Shri Krishna. Loke nahi sa vidyeta yonara mamanubratah. Valmiki Ramayana. Valmiki ji says the same thing in the Valmiki Ramayana. It is impossible to find an individual soul that does not truly love and want God. So we want Shri Krishna, we love Shri Krishna. Naturally, even the person who calls himself an atheist, I don't believe in God. We don't know, that's all. We see, what is Shri Krishna? Who is Shri Krishna? The Vedas tell us, Raso Vaisah Rasagvam Hevayam Labdhva Nandi Bhavati. Taittiriya Upanishad, chapter 2, verse 7. The Vedas is saying that Shri Krishna is Ras. Ras. Raso Vaisah. Ras, bliss. Anand, happiness. Same Ved, same Upanishad says, Anando Brahmeti Vajana Ananda Deva Khalvimani Bhutani Jayante Anandena Jatani Jivanti Anandam Prayantya Bhisam Vishanti. Taittiriya Upanishad, chapter 3, verse 6. Shri Krishna is Anand, bliss, happiness. Many, many places, not going to go into too detail. So, Shri Krishna is, another name for Shri Krishna is Anand, bliss, happiness. Whether we say happiness, Sukh, or we say Shri Krishna, they are two names for one and the same entity. And every action, so we love Shri Krishna because we are eternal parts, fractions of Shri Krishna. And because Shri Krishna is happiness, we all want only happiness. It's impossible for anyone to want pain and suffering. Even if someone were to say, okay, look, I am going to make my aim in life the attainment of dukh, pain and suffering. I will never want happiness. Impossible. It can't happen. Every action we perform, Sukhaya karmani karoti loko natai sukham badajuparamam va vindeta bhuyas tateva dukkham yadatta yuktam bhagavan vadena. Bhagavad Mahapuran, 3rd canto, 5th chapter, 2nd verse. The Bhagavad makes it very clear. Every action of the individual soul is only for sukh, happiness, sukh. Every action, sarvesham bhutanam nipaswatmaiva vallabha itare pata vittadhyas tadvallabhata yaivahi. 10th canto, 14th chapter, 50th verse, Bhagavad Mahapuran. Brahma is saying to Shri Krishna. It is the reason behind marriage, children, business, friendship, peace, war, and every action in the world. We all want our own happiness. Apna sukh. This boy is going to make me happy. This girl is going to make me happy. We get attached, fall in love, get married, and eventually, we saw in the play today, what happens? This is a natural thing. This happens in every home, every day. It may not happen externally, but inside. Jhagra. Each and every person hide. We act. We are very good actors. In order to keep peace in the home, we act. If each and every person were to express what they feel, like what we saw, you heard about Mahabharat, there'll be Mahabharat. This world will finish. So as one of the persons said, both of them said, let's come to a compromise. We compromise. In our own self. Let me listen to what the husband say. Let me just leave it. Let me listen to what the wife say. Let me listen to what my mommy, daddy say. Let me listen to what the children. Just stay quiet. And there's peace. Otherwise, both party decides, I'm going to say what I feel. And the other one says, okay, I can say it better. And then we know what's going to happen. All right? So, the mind is searching for that happiness, but is looking in the wrong place, and has been from beginningless time. What is the wrong place? This material world. Never has it tried for once to look in Shri Krishna. From beginningless time we have been looking. And not only human being, not only in the human form, everywhere. Dog, cat, donkey, but the soul moves, it wanders. Akar chari lakh chaurasi yoni brahmat yah jeev avinashi. Bhagwan Shri Ram is saying to the residents of Ayodhya, the Jivatma, the individual soul, as Shri Krishna says in Gita, is Sanatan, Avinashi, indestructible, eternal, beginningless. But it keeps, because of our actions, it keeps rotating in 8.4 million forms of life. 84 lakh prakar ke yoni. Dog, kukar, shukar, pig, patang, insect, keet, patang, worms, etc. I have to go there? Yeah. We have been there, bhaiya. Not once or twice, uncountable time. We change body, we change clothes. Soul remains the same. Vasansi jivnani yatha vihaya navani grinati naroparani tatha sharirani vihaya jirna Nyanyani Sanyati Navani Dehi. Chapter 2, verse 22, Gita. We wear clothes, we change, discard it. Sometime once, sometime 3 times, sometime 10 times. Some of us wear the clothes until it becomes tattered. Hole everywhere is style nowadays. Some of you wonder why people wear clothes. There's so many holes, you can almost see the entire body. Style. And then we discard it. In the same way, this embodied soul discards bodies, new ones, doesn't have to be old, new ones, discards and takes on another one. Sri Krishna says old and one, but new ones also. One child came out of the womb of the mother, didn't come outside, died. One came outside and cried, died. One lived to be 1 year old and died. Every day we see people dying in their childhood, in their youth, in middle age. Not old age only. Don't ever think I will get old and then I will die. This is a mistake we make. And that's why we procrastinate. We keep putting off. Udhar. I have a lot of time. I'm only 15 years of age. I'm only 20. I'm only 40. I'm only 80. I wouldn't die yet. At least 100 years is surety. Who told you that, bhaiya? It is Kshana Bhangur. Durlabho manusho deho dehinam Kshana Bhangurah. Tatrapi durlabham manye vaikuntha priya darshanam. Bhagavad is saying, the 9 Yogeshwars are saying to Videhanimi, this human body is extremely rare, very difficult to attain. The most difficult, the rarest and most difficult in the 8.4 million form. This Manav Day, human body. But it has a big, big problem. बहुत बड़ी दोष है इसमें. What is the problem? At which moment we can lose it, nobody knows. Kshana Bhangur. Don't procrastinate. The Vedas say, Na shwa shwa upasit, koi purusha shubhed. Shwa shwa means tomorrow, tomorrow. Stop saying tomorrow I will do. Do now. Do your sadhana, do bhakti. We have no guarantee. None. So we keep rotating in all this anantan God, uncountable bodies, uncountable times. Oh mind, are you not satisfied? And the same mind, the subtle body when we die, this gross body, एक स्थूल शरीर, एक सूक्ष्म शरीर, एक कारण शरीर. 3 types of bodies. So, sthul sharir, the gross body, remains here, is destroyed. The sukshma sharir, the senses, mind, intellect, goes with the soul. Wherever it goes, in the body of a dog, cat, donkey, worm, yes. That's why some dogs are very bad. They want to eat everyone alive. And some dogs are very calm, very peaceful. A cow, there's a cow, it's very tame. You milk and you do whatever you want. The cow stands quietly. And one cow, you try milk, will give you a good kick. That's where it comes from. That swabhav, that nature goes with us wherever we go. That subtle body. That's why you will see the differences. Or else all dogs should be the same way. All cows should be the same way. No, every animal is different. that nature goes with us wherever we go. So, crazy mind, you keep wandering in all the 8.4 million forms, uncountable times. Have you not satisfied? Kat it ut bhatkat chapal chit.
इत उत भटकात चपल चित
Kat it ut bhatkat chapal chit.
कत इत उत भटकात चपल चित
अगणित सूत पति नारी बनायो.
अगणित सुत पति नारी बनायो.
ओ अगणित सूत पति नारी बनायो.
अगणित सुत पति नारी बनायो.
अबहु बनावत जात चपल चित.
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 कत इत उत भटकात चपल चित.
कत इत उत भटकात चपल चित.
So we keep looking for happiness in the world, worldly relations especially. Wife, husband, children, friends. If I get this person as a wife, I'll be happy. If I get that person as a husband, I'll be happy. If I have children, I'll be happy. And so we have done this uncountable times. Uncountable. And because, so I was laughing today when that one of the actress said, DDG and Bhaiya knows the Vedas says, till Saat Janma, 7 lifetimes, you're going to be husband and wife. Arey, uncountable. Forget 7. Yam yam vapi smaram bhavam tyajatyante kalevaram tam tamivaiti kaunteya sada tadbhava bhavita. Listen. Chapter 8, verse 6, Gita. Shri Krishna says to Arjun, when the life leaves this body, tyajatyante kalevaram. When we die, in other words, the life leaves the body, yam yam vapi smaram bhavam. Whatever you remember at that time. Wherever our mind is attached, whatever we remember. What are we going to remember? Where the mind is attached. Whoever we are attached to, whatever we are attached to. And that's what you're going to go become in the next lifetime. We keep spinning in that circle. In that circle. We go back right there again and again. It doesn't have to be only 7. If you keep being attached, people say, I always want you to be my husband. I always want you to be my wife. They're convinced that I didn't get happiness this time, maybe next time. And now we are becoming so modern. Long ago, especially in Sanatan Dharma, you only got married once. Once. We didn't know about divorce and all of that. You get married, that's it. However it happens, die, whatever, stay right there. Of course, now we have the freedom. You don't like it? Divorce. We've taken this from the West. If someone has not gotten divorced a few times and gotten married again, then you don't have a life in the Western world. And so for us also, who belong to Sanatan Dharma and follow a certain way, we have taken the tradition also. Slowly we're taking everything. All the and forgotten ours. Anyhow, it's not a problem. And he thinks, I'm going to leave now. Can you tell Ramesh, please tell Ramesh to come? My life will not leave if I don't see him one last time. Are you have not talked so long, you've like enemies. No, the attachment. Attachment is there. So wherever we are attached, we are love, that's what you're going to remember. Example given in Bhagavad Mahapuran, Jar Bharat, Paramhans, not worldly, foolish souls like us, Paramhans, self-realized, topmost. He became attached to a deer. The mother was scared away by a lion. She was pregnant. To save her life, she tried to jump the river. She did jump, but so in that process, the baby in the womb fell out. And the mother went. Eventually, she went in a cave, and due to the exhaustion and the miscarriage, she died. And the baby is drowning in the water. And Jar Bharat saw the whole thing. He went in the water, saved the baby deer, and started taking care. And what happened? Got attached. This is a Maya. Vidya Maya. He got attached. Paramhans has crossed Avidya Maya. He's crossed Rajogun Tamogun. Paramhans means one who has crossed Avidya Maya. In other words, he has realized I am the soul Atma, not Brahma Gyan, not God realized. Many foolish people say self-realization is God realization. Nonsense. You have only crossed one Maya, Avidya Maya. There's another one, Vidya Maya. So Avidya Maya, not in Kali Yuga, in ages gone by, yogis, jnanis, etc. were able to cross on their own. They were able to cross Avidya Maya. They realize I am the soul, the Atma. They cross Rajogun, Tamogun. But not even in Satyug could any jnani yogi cross Vidya Maya by themselves. For that you have to surrender, you have to do bhakti. Mame vaye prapadyante maya me tantarantite. Jar Bharat, so attached when he was dying, he called the Shishyas and told them to bring the deer, that he loved her so much. And put in the hand on the deer, he said, look, I love her so much. Please take care of her when I leave. I'm going now. And he died. What happened? He became a deer in the next life. Perfect example. And those of us who love the parrot and the dog, as I said, we have become so westernized. We also have the dog inside the house now too. Sleeping on the bed. We have become totally, right? Before, people wouldn't even keep a dog in the house. And then if it did, it was a guard dog, stay outside. Now inside. People treat the dog better than their own children. The kind of bills, vet bill and all kind of bill, oh Bhagwan. And then there's a saying, the best dog is a man's best friend. And people prove it all the time. If you go in the social media, you will see people give examples of what a dog will do, a child will never do. Even, anyhow, whatever. You become attached to this dog, what's going to happen to you? Next life, dog, puppy. Anyhow, and we are doing it in this lifetime also. We have made uncountable wives, husbands, children in the past, and we are still doing. Why? Because we think this will make me happy. We are searching for that happiness. Can they give us happiness? No. They don't have it for themselves. How can they give it to somebody? For someone to give me happiness, he has to have it, she has to have it. So husband is thinking wife is supposed to make me happy. Wife is thinking husband is supposed to make me happy. And that's why we have the jhagara, the fight, the quarrel. As long as you do what I want, I love you. Jate kachu nij swarat hoi, ta par mamta karai sab koi. Sur nar muni sab kai yah riti, swarat lagi karahi sab priti. When the swarat is fulfilled, priti, I love you. And it's not fulfilled, I hate you, get out. I will kill you. Don't you dare look at that other person. I saw you looking. I have eyes. Close your eyes. So no one has it to give. Whether it's child, whether it's parent, whether it's husband, whether it's wife, whether it's friend, whoever. And where it has been given, we don't go there. We've been told. But we keep looking in the wrong place, where it cannot be found. We have been told uncountable times, the search is in vain, that there is no happiness to be found in any person or object in the world, yet we don't listen. Kat it ut bhatkat chapal chit. Kat
it ut bhatkat chapal chit.
Kat it ut bhatkat chapal chit.
Kat it ut bhatkat chapal chit.
Tu chah par manand kaha so.
Tu chah par manand kaha so.
आनंद कहाँ सो,
तू चाह परमानंद कहाँ सो,
यह नहीं सोची सकात चपल चित,
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 कत इत उत भटकात चपल चित,
कत इत उत भटकात चपल चित,
तू चाह परमानंद कहाँ सो, यह नहीं सोची सकात. So, O mind, O foolish mind, what you are searching for is Paramananda, supreme happiness. Supreme bliss, supreme happiness, Shri Krishna. But where to find it, you have never thought about that. Where are we going to find it? If something does not give you what you're looking for, instead of getting happiness, you get pain and suffering, we should learn. हाँ, कुछ सीखना चाहिए. It is said in the world that a cat if it were to drink milk once and the mouth would get burnt, hot milk, cat loves milk, so it goes to drink the milk and the milk scorches the mouth. Then the next time, wo charge ho. It is buttermilk, which is cold. Still the cat will go. He's learned his lesson. But we have never learned. We keep getting pain and suffering. All we get in this world is beaten. That person that we are looking for happiness in, that thing we are looking for happiness, instead of getting happiness, we end up getting pain and suffering. Stress, tension. A saint says, our condition is like a stray dog, avara kutta. Sounds bad. There's a stray dog, very hungry. You show the dog a piece of dry bread, dry, sukha roti. And the dog runs, come, and you take a stick and hit it really hard, and it yelps and barks and growls, goes a distance, looks at you angrily. Again, you show that piece of dry bread. Again, it comes wagging the tail. Again, you hit. Again, the dog will yelp and bark and cry and go from a distance. Look at you angrily, growl. But again, if you show the dry piece of bread, it'll come wagging the tail. Our condition. All the same place, the same wife, the same husband, the same parent, the same child abuse you, tell you the worst thing, make sure that you are hurt, that you cry. For a few days you may not talk, to the point of sometimes the parent will tell the child, Papu, just tell your daddy that the house needs this thing. Daddy's sitting right here, but is not going to talk. Daddy says, Pappu, tell your mommy I'll go later. And mommy's right there. Bol chal band. Few days and then they start talking again. Parent and child also, it happens everywhere. Friend, everywhere. A little while you get detached. The moment that person doesn't do what we want or, hurts our selfishness, we get hurt, we feel hurt. So you stop. You get angry. You broke my trust. This is what you call love. You are saying you love me. How come you didn't do what I want? What kind of love is this? And we get detached temporarily. Smashan Tyag. It's called smashan. Temporary. People, they're going to take a dead body to the cremation ground, especially in India, and put the body in 2 pieces of bamboo and chant Ram Naam Satya Hai. That God alone is the truth. Everything else is false. And supposing while they were going, the person sit down, didn't die. It happens. Doctor give a wrong prognosis. Hey, chup. Don't you dare say Ram Naam Satya Hai anymore. Or even they have gone and burned the body and they come back home, nobody say Ram Naam Satya Hai anymore. Why? Somebody else will die. Once I was in Missouri, and some little kids, they were making fun, and they were saying, they heard Maharaji say it in the speech, Ram Naam Satya Hai Ram. And then an old man was there, hey! He got so angry. Don't you dare say that. Like this child had made the biggest mistake in the whole world. He got so angry, he wanted to beat the child. What's wrong in Ram Naam Satya Hai? Bhaiya, you're saying God, name alone. God is the only truth. Everything else is useless. So that only happened when we had taken the dead body. Temporary. Otherwise, we don't feel like that. We don't think like that. So temporarily, we become detached from that person who has caused this thing to me, that thing that caused this thing, that pain. Our selfishness gets hurt, our ego gets hurt, that's all. Somebody tell you something, somebody does something, and we feel so badly, this bad feeling. We get angry, we destroy ourselves. When we get angry, what happens? Krodhat bhavati sammoha, sammohat smiti vibhrama, smiti banshar buddhinasho, buddhinashar pranashyati. From anger comes delusion, from delusion loss of memory. When we lose our memory, we lose the power to discriminate. We become animal and everything is destroyed. Pashu ke saman. Chapter 2, verse 63, Gita. And how does anger come? Kamana ki purti nahi hui. Our selfishness, our selfish desire was not fulfilled. Our ego got hurt. That's all. If we understood all of that, nobody will get angry. If I don't have selfish, I don't have attachment, if I'm not selfish, then all these things wouldn't happen. The ego. Look carefully. And we get angry, and yes, this person, I'm going to hate them. I'm going to make sure they hurt also. I'm going to tell them things that will hurt them also. I have to make that person cry. I have to make sure they get hurt also. So you confront the person and you say the worst things and you tell them the worst thing and you make sure and the person starts crying. I fix you. In that process, we fix ourselves better. We hurt that person, that's a thing. And when you hurt, we did double criminal. Double crime. Because we destroyed our own self in the process also. And all because we felt badly. Our ego, that feeling bad is what? If you look, nowhere has gotten cut, nowhere is bleeding. If we analyze, why am I feeling bad? Why am I feeling hurt? We will see eventually it's our ego got hurt. That's all. Our selfishness wasn't satisfied. That's all. Nothing else. There's no hurt, there's no harm anywhere. And after a while, we forget anyhow. The moment you give that person a piece of your mind, you're fine. They didn't bleed also. Well, sometimes we may do that also. People get wild and they may beat somebody up. Really do physical damage. And they're sorry afterwards because you become an animal. Pashubis samanaha. That was happen when we lose that power to discriminate, and that happens when we get angry. It's so dangerous. Anyhow, so think, search, realize, try to find out this happiness you're looking for, where to find it, where. Kat it ut bhat kat chapal chit kat
it ut bhat kat chapal chit
Ved Puranan बात मान गहूँ
वेद पुराण बात मान गहूँ
वेद पुराण बात वेद पुराणन बात मान गहूँ
वेद पुराण बात मान गहूँ
चरण शरण भल भ्रात चपल चित
चरण शरण बल भ्रात चपल चित
कत इत उत भल खात चपल चित कत
इत उत भटकात चपल चित.
All the Vedas, the Puranas, all the scriptures, all the saints are telling us that only one place you can find that happiness in Shri Krishna. Because Shri Krishna is happiness. Another name for Shri Krishna is happiness. Tameva sharanam gaccha sarva bhavena bharata tatpasadat param shantim sthanam prapshashi shashvatam. Chapter 18 verse 62 Gita. Shri Krishna makes it so clear. Arjun, Only Tameva. Ev means only. Tameva Sharanam Gaccha. Only if you take shelter in Shri Krishna, surrender to Shri Krishna, will you attain supreme happiness, Param Shantim. Supreme happiness forever. Thousands of places. We have been told over every scripture. जाओ परलोक यहाँ सुख चाहूं, सुनी मम बचन हृदय दृढ़ गाहूं. Bhagwan Shri Ram is saying to the residents of Ayodhya, Uttarakhand of Ramayana, hey, listen to me. If you want happiness here, yaha, here and after you leave here also, जाओ परलोक यहाँ सुख चाहूं. So listen very carefully, deep in your heart, what I'm going to tell you. Listen. सरल सुखद यह मार्ग भाई, भक्ति मोरी पुराण श्रुति गाई. How beautiful Tulsidas ji has written it in the Ramayana. The Lord says the path to finding the happiness here and hereafter also is very easy. Saral hai. Or sukhad. Sukhad. There's no difficulty. It gives happiness while doing it. The giver of happiness. That path is called bhakti. That all the Vedas and all the scriptures glorify. All the scriptures. Surrendering means bhakti. Bhakti means surrendering. Is there any hard thing to do in bhakti? Kahu bhakti path, kahu bhakti path, kavan prayasa, jogana mak japa tapa upavasa. What is hard in bhakti, bhaiya? Kya karna? Kya mehnat? There is no yoga, not yoga. Fold in the foot and put it behind your head. No. No pranayam. That's not yoga. Yoga means something else. Yam, niyam, asan, pranayam, pratyahar, dharana, dhyan, samadhi. That is yoga. Impossible in Kali Yuga. No yoga rishi, whoever they call himself, can do. Impossible. They can do exercise. Physical. Yogasan is the correct name. It's one limb of yoga. Yam, niyam, asan. But the very first thing, yam, niyam, complete control over the mind, no one can do in Kali Yuga. No yogi. Impossible. You can call yourself yoga, rishi, yoga, muni, whoever. You don't have to do yoga, makha, havan, yajna. Jap, name of Lord on the bead, tap, austerities, upavas, fasting, nothing. What to do? Just chant the name and love. What is difficult about chanting Radhe, Radhe? Ram, Ram, Krishna, Krishna, Govind, Radhe, Govind. Huh? Kali Yuga Jogana Jagya Jnana Ek Aadhar Ram Gun Gana. Chant the name of the Lord. With love, with love. A lot of people chant. But there is no Roop Dhyan, no meditation, no love. Just like a parrot. No. Sumiri, Sumiri. Sumiri, Sumiri. That part we forget. Sumiran means remembering the Lord, thinking about the Lord. कलयुग केवल हरि गुण गाहा, कलयुग केवल नाम आधारा, सुमिरी 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 नर उत्तरहु पारा. Only thing, name of the Lord in Kali Yuga. But Sumiri, that part we forget. Smaran, remembering the Lord with love, prem, then we'll get it. So we have been told is take shelter. Take shelter in Shri Krishna. Mame vaye prapadyante maya me tantarantite, chapter 7 verse 14. Only the one who completely surrenders to me can become free from Maya. Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam sharanam braj. Chapter 18 verse 66. Take shelter in me alone. Give up all, everything. Give it up. Ananyas chintayantu mam ye janha parupasate. Tesham nityabhyuktanam yogakshemam vahamyaham. Chapter 9 verse 22 Gita. Complete surrender, exclusive love. I'll take care of what you do not have and bring what you do not have and protect what you have. Yogakshemam vahamyaham. जो नहीं है वो दे दूंगा और जो है इसकी रक्षा करूंगा. ये भगवान का challenge. This is his challenge. What are we waiting for? कत इत उत भटकात चपल चेत.
कत इत उत भटकात चपल चित.
तब कृपालु तीन अनुकंपाते.
तब कृपालु तीन अनुकंपाते.
हो तब कृपालु तीन अनुकंपाते.
तब कृपालु तीन अनुकंपाते.
सब बनी जय है बात चपल चित.
सब बनी जय है बात चपल चित.
कत इत उत भटकात चपल चित.
कत इत उत भटकात चपल चित.
So the Saint Kripalu Mahaprabhu is telling us in the last line, if you surrender, you completely surrender, इनके शरण में जाइए. You surrender, then what will happen? Anukampa. Anukampa means kripa, grace. He will shower his grace on you. Shri Krishna says, Gita everywhere, surrender to me. Surrender to me, then I will shower my grace. The condition for Shri Krishna's grace, complete surrender. Mam ekam sharanam vraj. Aham tvam sarva papebhyo moksheshami ma suchaha. If I don't perform my dharma, my duty, Arjuna asks Shri Krishna in chapter 18 verse 66, Shri Krishna says, give up all dharma, all duty, all obligation. Take shelter in me alone. So Arjuna asks, if I don't do my duty, you were telling me before in Gita, do your duty. If I don't do it, will I not be committing pap, sin? Yes. If you don't surrender to me and you do not do your duty, then you're papi. You're doing sin. But the moment you surrender to me, I will take care of everything. I will free you from all. In other words, I will free you from all पाप. I will do everything for you. जो भी ऋण है, जो भी, whatever ऋण, whatever debt, whatever पितृ ऋण, so many ऋण. Besides the duty in the world, Shri Krishna says, I will take care of everything. Because now you are under my shelter. I will give you everything divine. This is a condition. O mind, listen, O stubborn mind. You have been told uncountable time. Listen. Stop wandering here, there, and all over the place, looking and getting. All you're getting is beaten. You're getting is pain and suffering, stress. Take shelter in Shri Krishna alone, and everything will happen. You will attain all the bliss, happiness forever. Right here, not afterwards, right here. Jao yaha, yaha. You will get everything. But you have to, what? Soul doesn't surrender. Mind surrenders. We have to surrender the mind. Mayyeva mana adhasva, may buddhim niveshaya. Chapter 12, verse 8, Gita, Shri Krishna tells Arjun, give your mind and intellect to me. Surrender the mind. Surrender the intellect. It means mind. They're called different names, different places. Sometimes 2, sometimes 3, sometimes 1. We went in detail before. Main thing, we have to surrender the mind. This mind has to surrender. We have to practice. Shri Krishna says it's not going to happen. It's difficult, as Arjun said. And Shri Krishna agreed. Asanshaya mahabaho manoduru nigraham chalam. Chapter 6, verse 35. Yes, I agree with you, Arjun. It is difficult. And some of us, because it's difficult, I can't do it. This sadhana, this mind, I can't. No. We always accept defeat to the mind. Do not accept defeat. Fight. We have the Guru. We have a Guru who will help us. Take shelter in the Guru, in Maharaji. He will do everything. Just make the effort. Don't give in to the mind. Abhyasena tu kaunteya vairagyena cha grihyate. Constant practice. Just follow the instruction. Guru agya palan. Agya palan. Bas. और कुछ नहीं. Just follow Guru's instruction. Whatever Guru has told us, follow it and you will get everything. Maharaji has said this. You will attain God realization provided we follow Guru Agya, Guru's instruction. There's much more some other time. Bole Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki, Srimad Sadguru Sarkar ki, Siyavar Ramchandra ki, Pavan Sut Hanuman ki, Radha Rani ki. Jai Jai Shri Radhe, Jai Jai Shri Radhe, Jai Jai Shri Radhe.